Okay, this is a OSFS20. I got this off a website, and the guy, I was looking for one. I bought like 6 of them now. But he had told me that I needed some helixes and 2 of the head screws because they were stripped. Well, the engine looked brand new. So he must be like a McIntyre Dave, whatever his name is, on YouTube that takes apart brand new engines and then fucked it up. But I ended up taking screws just the next size up, retapping the holes, and it went together real nice, solid, tight. I'm probably going to sell this one. I will not sell it without letting people know what it went through, but I don't think there's ever going to be a problem with it. I'll go ahead and fire it up. Chicken stick. As you can see, it runs good. Now that I've started it, I am going to leave it run. Oh, well, that's pretty good idle though. Turn it up a little bit. I'm just going to let it run and break in through 2 tanks of fuel, and I don't think it was ever run before I got it back together and ran it. Like I said, I'll probably sell this one, and I don't know, may keep it. I got 5 more that I bought, or 6 more that I bought, so I like the 20s and 26s. But I thought that worked out pretty good. I got that for $40. I'm going to leave it run, and then I'm going to break it in because I do believe it's a brand new engine. So, yeah, probably going to sell that one. As long as nobody ever takes it apart again, or even if they do, if they're just careful, it'll be fine. That's an OSFS20. Thanks for watching. Click like. Or don't.